Turning to weather, lots of Eagles fans are wondering what will the conditions be to kick off tomorrow. Next weather meteorologist Andrew Kozak has the answer for us. Andrew, we're looking out for that kickoff temperature.
We are, and we also will have an hour-by-hour look at that coming up here in just a second. I want to start with the right now, which is increasing clouds on a very mild January day. Let's walk over, check off some of the top headlines as we cover not only today, but of course the big game tomorrow. It is quiet and cold tonight. Temperatures will stay above freezing, but we'll be back down into the 30s. A lot of you watching might be in town visiting for the big game. I know the streets have been crowded today. It will be cloudy and dry as we start things off for the Birds tomorrow. Kickoff at 3 o'clock, but we could see an isolated shower from halftime all the way to the fourth quarter. We'll keep an eye out for that, but it should be very quick if we get anything. Much colder next week, and looking ahead to next Thursday, could we finally see some accumulating snow? The answer is maybe. We're going to go over that in just a sec. Tomorrow, all right, 3 o'clock kickoff, temperature 51 degrees, halftime 49, fourth quarter 46. Again, for January, well above average. But again, from about halftime to fourth quarter, there could be an isolated shower. Pack accordingly if you're going to the game or going anywhere to watch the game. Clouds and radar now show we have a pretty good deck of cloud cover back toward the west. That's where we have our next system that is rolling back in. Some heavy snow for areas like Wisconsin over toward Chicago. Now, we are going to get just a passing shower tomorrow as most, if not all of this from the system moves to the north and the east of us. Right now, it is a pretty mild afternoon for your Saturday. 43 in Avalon, 43 Sea Isle City. Pull back out and we have temperatures just a degree below 50 in Philadelphia, 49, Mount Pocono 37, Wilmington coming in at 36. Now, as we get into the next 12 hours, we'll keep the clouds around overnight. A light southwest wind at around 5 to 15, 37 degrees in the early morning, 36 should be that overnight low. Partly cloudy, cold, southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. All right, so for the rest of the weekend, we start things off with maybe a touch of sunshine for your Sunday. By 6 o'clock in the morning, just a light south breeze. Again, dry all the way through the mid-morning hours. There will be some rain. If you're headed over toward Lancaster, Harrisburg, a better chance for a couple of afternoon showers. Our chance happens as we get closer to the game, and again, a scattered sprinkle, an isolated shower. That, my friends, is it. It'll be cloudy, but with the southwest breeze, it'll be relatively mild. Your high temperature coming in at around 53 degrees. After that, there is a slight chance next Thursday that our next system has enough cold air and enough moisture to bring our next chance for snow. Yes, even Philadelphia on Thursday of next week does have a slight chance to get some accumulating snow. Maybe not much, but it would be our first one all season long. 53 in Philly for tomorrow, the Shore 49 with increasing clouds, a scattered shower in the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. Here's your 7-day forecast. We're going to keep it mild on Monday, 55 degrees. Tuesday, that's when the bottom drops out. We could even see a couple flurries Tuesday night. A much colder week next week, and while Wednesday will be the bright spot, Thursday with a high of 42 could give us a chance for a little bit of morning snow, maybe changing over to rain. So Thursday would be the next day that we're going to keep a real eye on. Friday and Saturday, we're back into mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. But Aziza, it is chilly next week with overnight lows down into the 30s.
All right, everyone, grab your coats. Thank you, Andrew.